Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this super easy everyday makeup look, which you can wear for any occasion that you wanna wear it for. So that's what we're gonna do today. Also, look who wanted to say hi in today's video, my little son. He's already 6 months, time is going so quick. It's insane how fast time goes. But yeah, we're just gonna dive right into today's video. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. And I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid. What this is going to do, it's going to make the eyeshadow more long lasting, but it will also remove the redness from the eyelid and leave me with a nice clean canvas for my eyeshadow. So after applying the primer, I use a little bit of setting powder and just lock everything in place. Just a very thin layer of powder. Then I went in with the Precisely My Brow gel. I think it's called the Fluff Up, something like that. I don't know what the name is. It's a new product, but I will link it down in the description bar. I'm using it in the number 6, which is the darker shade. And first I just used it to kind of like brush my brow hairs upwards, and then I used the Precisely My Brow Detailer. And I'm going to use this product to create these little like fake hair strokes. So in all the places where I feel like I have some gaps going on, like just these places where I just don't have a lot of hair, I just create these strokes, and this will kind of give the appearance as if my brows are a lot thicker than they actually are. It's a really nice way to just make your brows look more fuller in a natural way. I've been loving this trick lately. So I'm going to go in with this palette from Colourpop, and I'm going to start with this first color, and I'm actually going to go in with this color a few times to really build up the color payoff. So I'm just going to blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, just sweeping my brush back and forth, and I just keep applying more of the eyeshadow to make it darker and darker on the eyelid. First, I always like to use a little bit and then just gradually build it up by going in with more and more eyeshadow. This is what I would call kind of like a soft mauvey purple shade. I don't really know. It's a beautiful color, especially if you want to do like a cool tone eye look. This is a really nice color to start with for your crease, instead of going like in with like a soft brown or anything like this. This is the perfect color for like a cool tone, smoky eye, something like that. So I just continue to blend. Then I went in with this kind of like brownish matte shade. And I'm going to first press this in the outer portion of the eyelid, and then with whatever's left on my brush, I'm going to blend it more towards my crease and just making these circular motions with my brush to smudge it out and just make it more softer. This is a really beautiful color as well. It's kind of like a cool tone brown, so it goes really well with the first color I used. Especially if you don't like these really warm tones, these are really beautiful colors for if you are more into cool tones. So now I'm going to go in with this color, which is so stunning. As you can see, the pigmentation is beautiful. So you actually only use 2 matte shades and then this one, and you already have created like a very soft glam look with not too much effort. So I'm just using my finger to apply it all over the eyelid, because in my opinion, using your finger gives most color payoff and just most pigmentation. So why use a brush if you just can use your finger? So then I use that same matte brown color, which I use as my second shade, and I'm going to use it for underneath the lower lash line. So first I used a Sigma Flat Diviner brush, which is a really nice flat brush. And then I used a pencil brush to blend it out. I have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty brushes, but also on all the other products on Sigma Beauty's website, which I will link down in the description bar. I have a special affiliate code, which you can use if you want to save up some money. So now I'm going to go in with this light shade, applying a little bit of that in the inner corner of the eye just to brighten it up. And I always just like to add a little bit in the inner corner. Then I went in with the Bad Girl Bang mascara, and this is the brown mascara version. I felt like, let me just do something different. I always go in with black eyeshadow, black mascara, so I wanted to do something different and go in with a brown mascara for a change. I know some people find black too harsh. So yeah, I wanted to give it a go. I think it's a really nice mascara. I feel like it doesn't look as brown as I thought it would be, because if you see the mascara wand, it's a really nice kind of warmish brown color. But when I used it on the lashes, it turned out quite dark, probably because my own natural lash color is already quite dark. But it does look lighter in real life. It just gives that kind of like warm glow on the lashes and it will make your eyes pop more, which is nice. Let me know if you're going to try it out, or if you have tried it. Let me know if you normally use a black mascara or if you prefer a brown mascara. I'm really curious to know. But yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys!